Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 9A to an Android device. Start by opening App Gallery on Honor and Play Store on an Android. Then tap on the search bars, type and Send Anywhere, and install this completely free app, that one, from this developer. Then just open. Now we need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow on Honor, and then do exactly the same on an Android. So accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then select send on Honor and receive on Android smartphone. Following that, you need to tap on all of those type of dots. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only one photo, tap on send and click on got it in this pop-up. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can input this key here, 519865, and tap on this red button with receive on it, or we can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting allow in the pop-up, and pointing our device's camera at the code. And now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!